Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors. Today we're going to discuss in the AI course for doctors, artificial intelligence, how it can help a doctor to improve their CV using custom GPT. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. In the next series of lectures, I will give small pieces of AI, how it can help doctors. And definitely, a CV is an essential part when you are applying for a job, when you are progressing in your career. You need your CV to be put in a very professional way. It's an essential part of your career to have a good CV. That's why we are going to see how artificial intelligence is going to improve our CV. AI definitely can help. We are going to use custom GPT, and I will show you how we're going to use it. We're going to upload our CV and see how it's going to change and bring us a very professional CV. Let us start by getting a chatgpt.com on any browser. You can see it's a very secure website, HTTPS for security. And this is the page you're going to see after logging in. Look at Explore GPT and press on it. This will offer you a lot of features which are called custom GPT. Custom GPT is something which is a specific part of GPT to do a certain task. And here are some examples, and I will show you how we can use them in as a doctors. You can see here CV writer, which is one of the custom GPT using artificial intelligence, and you just click on it, and CV writer, the CV expert, there are 500K have used it, and you can start chat. And this what will open to you. You can upload file, and let me show you one of example of my CV. Here is example of my CV, which is done not in a professional way. You can see I put the date, and here is my CV, attach it, and then this is the format I have used. You can see there is underline on the left, no underline on the right. The font is little bit the same. Here is my education, my qualification, my positions done, and this is my expertise regarding operation. Here are the courses that I have attended, and here is the research, and then you put at the end references. So this is an example of a CV file. Let me go to this, and then I will attach this file, upload from the computer, and then it will open. Put desktop, and then here is, it will be under letter updated CV without certificate, and then I will put open. The file you can see is uploaded. Then can you please improve my CV? And then you press enter. Now, thank you for your CV based on the structure. You can see it is totally changed how I put my CV and start writing right away. starting by my core expertise, which expression that I didn't use, start to put everything in order, in bullet, professional reimburses, and let me know if this adjustment, including the certification uh, or a formatted PDF version, do you need any further improvement or not? Let me show it to you gradually. He put the name and the contact information will go there. Professional summary. This is a summary he has created according with the information. It was not there before. Core competency, where I'm competent as, professional expertise, and this is how he arranged it, how he arranged my experience, surgical registrar training, my education. You can see he put the certificate and the year in, let us say, an international format, research publication, professional references available if required. I think he done a good job. So this is uh, the improvement of my CV, which is one of the tasks of custom GPTs that is very, very useful to doctors. In this example, I think it is very, very useful tool to all doctors. Easy, does not need coding. The program is there for you to use. It is free of charge and it will completely change your CV for a better format in order to make it easier for you to apply for job. Thank you very much and I wish you all the best.